Hello everyone, I'm Snow. Welcome to my channel. It's so nice to see you here. In this video, I want to show you my 5 income streams in 2022 and potentially 6 income streams in 2023. Hopefully I provide you insight into a 31-year-old girl who lives in Canada. How much do I make from my 9-to-5 job and other incomes as well. Let's start with my 2022 income sources. I always identify myself as an entrepreneur type of person. I'm actively looking for opportunities to grow myself and to grow myself as a brand and my business. In grade 4 and grade 5, I started a business as a bank of snow. And at that time, I was encouraging all my friends to give me their monthly allowances so they can deposit the money in the bank, and I promised to give them a return. This idea failed really quickly, and it's because that I wasn't doing any investment with their money and I cannot provide the promised return for them. And that's enough about my childhood business ideas. And let's start with my 2022 income. Last year, I had 5 income streams, include my 9-to-5 jobs, rental income, income from my interview coaching business, investment, and selling used items. My total income was about 123,000 in Canadian dollars, and all the incomes that we talk about here, income before taxes, the number actually gets significantly smaller after I paid all my taxes. Start with my 9-to-5 job. I made $95,761. I work in the public sector as a manager / senior economist, and I have been working as an economist since 2014, so it has been almost 9 years. I start with a monthly income of $60,000 as a junior economist, and through the years I've been applying for higher positions, more senior roles, and in a future video I would like to show you how I started as a junior economist / data analyst and how I become a senior economist. And the second income stream I have is my rental income. Last year I made $23,500 as rental income. My partner and I, we own a house together, and in this house there are a few suites. We decided to take the smaller suite and to rent out the rest of the house in order to generate more revenue. The rent is $3,500 per month. You have to take your mortgage, income tax, property tax, and maintenance fee all into consideration. And you will see that in my previous spending video that you can see how much I actually spend on my mortgage. Third category that I have is my interview coaching business. I started coaching in 2020, and when I become a manager at work, I started to have more opportunities to get involved in hiring process, and I participated in many interviews. So I started my business and I charge $50 per hour for my coaching business. This work really sparks joy in me. It makes me really proud when I can make my clients feel confident and prepared for their interviews. In 2022, I had about 5 to 6 sessions, and each session is usually about an hour or an hour and a half, so I made about $300 in 2022. And my fourth income stream is my investment. Under this category, I also had 3 subcategories, include my savings, GIC, and mutual funds and stocks. Last year, I was able to make $2,166 from my savings account, and that's largely driven by the high interest rate provided by the savings account. And also last year I sold my condo. I parked a large amount of cash in my savings account. It's making about 3 to 5% of interest rate of all the savings that I have. And the second subcategory is my GIC, which is the Guaranteed Investment Certificates account. Last year, after selling my condo, I know that I have to pay capital gain tax in 2023. In Canada, if you sell a property that is not your primary residence, you have to pay capital gain tax on it. So I know that I have to pay about $15,000. So I invest those $15,000 in a 180 days GIC account, a return of 3.5%. So in the end, I was able to get $258 in my GIC account. 2022 wasn't a very good year for my mutual fund and stocks. Stock market wasn't performing very well. I started with $20,000 and I ended up at $18,000. So I had a loss of $2,000. The last income stream is selling things that I don't use. I'm very good at getting rid of things that I don't need anymore. Last year, selling my condo, I was able to sell majority of my furniture. And last year, I also got married, so I was able to sell my wedding dress. And I almost compensated 50% of the dress price. In general, I have a policy that if I buy one thing, I will sell one thing in order to still maintain the same amount of things that I have. And I don't want to get too many things in my life or get too attached to the things that I own. That's my 2022. In 2023, I'm hoping to add one more income stream to my portfolio, which is actually here on YouTube. Going into 2023, I'm starting a new job this month. With this promotion, I'll be making about $110,000 per year. It is a big jump for me and I'm really excited about it. And my rental income will also double this year, because last year after selling the condo, my partner and I decided to purchase a rental property. That's a big step for us last year because the interest rate was really high and the market wasn't responding as fast, but we still decided to go for it. So this year I'll be making about $52,800 from rental income. 2023 will be my third year as an interview coach, and I upped my service fee from $50 per hour to $60 per hour, and I'm hoping to get similar amount of clients, so I'm projecting $350 in 2023. In terms of investment income, this year I wouldn't have a large quantity of cash going to my savings account, so I'm thinking maybe $1,000 as my saving interest. And then for my GIC account, I renewed my GIC to another year at the rate of 4.85%. That will generate $740. In terms of mutual fund and stocks, I only pray that the stock market will perform better this year. So right now I'm putting 0. In terms of selling used things, I'm projecting about $300 per year, because this year I don't have any large items. This year, I hope I can monetize my YouTube channel. And I only started my YouTube channel in January 2023. And I know that many YouTubers only started to monetize their channels after year 2 or year 3. But I'm hopeful if I continue to make good quality content and with your support, I hope I can reach the YouTube quota and start to monetize my YouTube channel this year in 2023. So I'm putting down $50. So I'm hoping that in 2023, I'll make about 165,000 Canadian dollars. Overall, 2 of my main income streams are still my 9-to-5 job and my rental income. In 2023, 32% of my income will be my rental income, which is a 12 percentage point increase from the previous year. My goal is to continue grow my interview coaching business and my YouTube channel here. Hopefully in 2024 that you will see higher income from these 2 streams. Thank you for watching today. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback in the comment section below. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this type of video. Last but not least, I really appreciate if you could subscribe me and we can continue this journey together. See you in my February spending video. Bye!